Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve fake cube puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all 10 pieces into a 6x6x6 cube. This puzzle is made of two types of wood, paduk and acacia. And if you take a closer look at all parts, you will find that all parts are exactly the same. They have exactly the same shape. And if you try to do the simple math, you will find that each piece has 6 and 6 and 6, 18 voxels. 18 by 10 means 180, and 6x6x6 cube has 216 voxels. That means that we are short of 36 voxels. And that's why this puzzle has its name, fake cube, since not all sides of the cube are going to be covered with parts. Some of them are going to be covered with the stand that comes with the puzzle. So it's better to assemble the puzzle inside the stand. And when you will make a cube, all 3 visible sides supposed to be completely covered with parts. There's supposed to be no gaps. That's when the puzzle is going to be solved. If you like fake cube puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So the solution is quite difficult, and it's gonna look like this. So we're gonna put 2 parts on this side. Next, we're gonna grab a piece like this and put it right here. The next piece goes right in here. And now it's gonna be a little bit more difficult part. This piece is gonna go right here on top. And here we have a gap for one more part, which is gonna go right there. And what we have now is that this side is covered, there is no gaps there. If we put one piece on top here, this side is going to be covered as well. And we have only 3 pieces left, which we have to put somewhere. So the first piece goes here. The second piece will go right here. There is a spot for it here. And the last piece will go right in here. You will say that, yeah, but there is a gap. There is not. It is not a solution. This is the way how I solve this puzzle. So now you grab the cube, flip it upside down, and put the stand so that you will cover 2 sides where there are many gaps. And that's it. Puzzle is solved. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, all 3 sides covered with parts. There is no gaps. All gaps are hidden somewhere inside the stand. The stand is made in such a way that it is just 0.5 millimeter wider than the 5 voxels of the cube. That means that if you move one of the pieces just a little bit, it's gonna fall down. So you have to be careful when you put everything on a stand, since one wrong move and the whole cube may fall apart. So that was the solution of fake cube puzzle. It looks very beautiful when it is solved. I like the shape that it creates, the texture of each side. If you like fake cube puzzle, or you want to try some other great puzzles made by Pelikan or designed by Dr. Volker Latusek, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.